The Chevrolet C10 is one of the most legendary trucks ever produced, a symbol of American toughness, style, and everyday reliability. From the 1960s through the early 1980s, the C10 built its reputation as a workhorse that could also turn heads with its clean lines and timeless design. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has finally revived this classic nameplate. The all-new 2026 Chevrolet C10 promises to blend vintage heritage with modern performance, cutting-edge technology, and that unmistakable Chevy truck soul. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 Chevrolet C10, its design, performance, technology, trim levels, pricing, and what makes it one of the most exciting truck launches of the decade. Design. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 C10, it's clear that Chevrolet wanted to pay homage to the classic models from the past. The body carries bold retro cues inspired by the second-generation C10 of the late 1960s and early 1970s. Front end. The front fascia sports a squared-off grille with horizontal slats, reminiscent of the old C10s, but reimagined with LED matrix headlights and a glowing Chevrolet badge. Body lines. Smooth yet muscular lines run across the sides, with flared fenders that give it a stance both nostalgic and aggressive. Bed design. The rear bed brings back the classic step-side option, paired with a modern multi-functional tailgate that can fold and adjust in multiple configurations. Chevy has truly nailed the art of combining vintage styling with 21st-century refinement. Performance. The heart of any truck is its engine, and Chevrolet made sure the C10 offers something for everyone. In 2026, the C10 comes with three distinct powertrain options. 2.7L turbo inline-4. Perfect for light-duty users. Produces around 325 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. 5.3L V8. A nod to classic American muscle. Pushes out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. Includes cylinder deactivation for improved fuel efficiency. All-electric C10 EV. The surprise highlight of the lineup. Dual-motor setup producing over 500 horsepower. Estimated range of 350 miles per charge. Supports 350 kilowatts DC fast charging, giving 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Chevrolet has cleverly positioned the C10 for both traditional truck lovers and the next generation of EV enthusiasts. Transmission and drive systems. Buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive for a traditional feel or four-wheel drive for off-road enthusiasts. The electric variant comes standard with all-wheel drive thanks to its dual-motor setup. Transmission options include an 8-speed automatic for the smaller engines and a 10-speed automatic for the V8, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal power delivery. Interior. Step inside the 2026 C10, and you'll immediately notice the perfect balance of nostalgia and innovation. Dashboard. Designed with horizontal lines and metallic accents reminiscent of the 1970s C10, but with a massive 13-inch touchscreen in the center. Seats. Available in classic vinyl for base models or premium leather with vintage stitching for higher trims. Digital cluster. A fully customizable 12-inch driver display that can mimic old analog dials for a retro vibe. Infotainment. Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google Assistant. This truck's cabin gives you the best of both worlds, retro style with cutting-edge tech. Technology and features. The 2026 C10 is loaded with modern features that make it stand out from both classic trucks and current competitors. Chevy Super Cruise, hands-free driving on compatible highways. Multi-flex tailgate, 6 different positions to handle any cargo situation. Over-the-air updates, constant improvements to software and vehicle systems. Advanced Safety Suite, includes lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras. Off-road package. Available Z71 trim with skid plates, locking differential, and all-terrain tires. Trims and variants. Chevrolet is offering the new C10 in multiple trims, each designed for different types of buyers. C10 Workhorse Base Trim. Affordable starting price. Vinyl seats, smaller screen, turbo engine. Ideal for businesses and daily hauling. C10 Classic Mid-Trim. Retro-inspired styling. Choice of turbo or V8 engine. More technology and comfort features. C10 Z71 off-road trim. Raised suspension, off-road tires, skid plates. Rugged look with tow hooks and protective bumpers. C10 EV electric trim. Futuristic design with retro cues. Dual motor setup and fast charging capability. C10 High Country luxury trim. Premium leather, wood accents, and panoramic sunroof. Packed with technology and luxury features. This variety ensures the C10 appeals to everyone, from worksite warriors to weekend adventurers. Driving experience. On the road, the 2026 C10 delivers a unique blend of comfort and capability. The suspension has been tuned to handle both city streets and rough terrains. The V8 roars with authority, while the electric version provides instant torque and a smooth, silent ride. Steering is precise, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Chevrolet has ensured that whether you're towing, hauling, or just cruising, the C10 feels like a truck built for the modern era while keeping its soul rooted in the past. Towing and payload capacity. Turbo engine, up to 7,500 pounds of towing. V8 engine, up to 11,000 pounds. C10 EV, around 10,000 pounds thanks to instant torque. Payload capacity ranges from 1,700 to 2,200 pounds, making the C10 more than capable for both work and play. Pricing and release date. Chevrolet has strategically priced the 2026 C10 to compete with rivals while honoring its heritage. Base C10 workhorse, starting at around $34,000. C10 Classic, $42,000. C10 Z71, $48,000. C10 EV, $55,000. C10 High Country, $65,000. The new C10 is expected to hit showrooms in late 2025 as a 2026 model year vehicle, just in time for the holiday season. Competitors in the market. The C10 enters a competitive segment, facing rivals like Ford F-150 Lightning for the EV variant, Ram 1500 Classic, Toyota Tundra, GMC Sierra. However, the C10's blend of retro appeal and modern technology gives it a unique edge, especially for enthusiasts who have been waiting decades for its return. Why the C10 matters. Reviving the C10 isn't just about selling trucks, it's about rekindling an emotional connection. For decades, the C10 has been a cultural icon, featured in countless movies, TV shows, and garages across America. By bringing it back, Chevrolet is tapping into nostalgia while introducing a new generation to its legacy. This move also strengthens Chevy's position in both the traditional truck market and the growing EV sector. The C10 could very well become the bridge between the old and new eras of American trucks. Enthusiast community. Chevrolet has also hinted at special edition packages and aftermarket support. Expect to see custom colors, heritage-inspired wheels, and even performance upgrades for both the V8 and EV versions. The C10 is already a favorite among collectors and restorers, and the 2026 model will only fuel that passion further. Final thoughts. The 2026 Chevrolet C10 is more than just a truck, it's the revival of a legend. With its blend of retro design, powerful engines, advanced technology, and an electric variant, it's a truck that appeals to tradition, innovation, and emotion all at once. For those who grew up around the original C10s, this is a dream come true. For younger buyers, it's a chance to experience a modern truck with a classic soul. Chevrolet has truly delivered something special here. Outro. That's everything you need to know about the all-new 2026 Chevrolet C10. What do you think? Does this modern revival live up to the legendary name? Would you go for the classic V8, the turbo option, or jump into the future with the all-electric C10? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more automotive updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest news in the world of cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.